Hi guys, today I will show you unpacking of MI earphone basic with mic. This is a product of MI. The price of this earphone is 399 rupees, and this in this range this is a very nice earphone with mic feature. Let me unpack this product for you. So before we unpack, I just want to show you the detail. So it is an in-ear headphone type, and weight is 14 gram. Cable length is 1.25 meter. Jack is 3.5, right, and power is 5 megawatt. If you can see, the MRP of this product is 599 rupees, but you can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart in 399 rupees. If you purchase it from Amazon right now, you will get 5% discount on HDFC credit or debit cards. So guys, I have unboxed this, so you can see this is MI earphone basic with mic. So if you can see, it is this earbuds are metallic, right, and this is silicone and very soft, right. And if you can see, this is a mic with a multi-function button, right. This button is a multi-function button, so if you can see it here, right. So this is a mic, and next thing, it's a tangle-free cable, if you can see it, right. And for warranty, you can use this tag right on your MI site to claim for the warranty. And the specialty of this is we have L-shaped jack. So the advantage of L-shaped jack, that means you have very less chance your jack will basically it will break down the cable from the jack side, or it will unplug it. So it's really very nice in this price. So let me see what else we have inside the packet. Okay, we have different size, I believe 2 more silicone earbuds, right. They are similar like this, and this product is coming only in 2 color, red and black. So I'm using this black. It's very shiny, you can see it here, right. So, and this is a multi-purpose headphone, so you can use it in your iPod, and you can use it in your mobile phone, your laptop, tablet. So this is very nice. I checked the music. It has 10 mm drivers, so the music is very good. The bass is very good. I hope you like this review, and guys, see you very soon. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share my channel. Thank you.